Hi. In the previous session, we talked about feature grooming. In today's session, we'll talk about using feature templates so that capturing the details can be in a standard format. When you're building a complex product or a platform, you will have a team writing the features for the product or platform. In this situation, it is difficult to get the information captured in the same way across the team. This is when the use of templates come in. Even when you have a simpler product, it's a good practice to start using the templates so that you set a standard from the get-go. Feature and user stories templates provide the guidelines to the product owners to capture the necessary details in the same format so that the features and user stories attain the minimum required info for the team to pick up. There is a standardized approach that can evolve and improve over time based on the previous implementations. It is easy to train and onboard new members to start contributing effectively to the team. Now, what does a feature template typically have? Feature templates typically include, but not limited to, name. Typically for a large product, the requirements are broken down into epics and then features. So try to name your feature with epic name as a prefix phrase so that it is easy to sort it in your backlog. Description. In the feature description, capture the details of the feature as clearly as you can. This section gets updated with additional inputs from the team when you groom the feature. Business benefit. What is the key business benefit that you are trying to achieve with this feature? Try to keep this as a single key benefit so that your feature doesn't get too complex trying to achieve too many things. Assumptions. List the key assumptions that you are making when trying to implement this feature. Dependencies. Identify the other features that need to be implemented before or along with this feature. Acceptance criteria. Define the list of objective criteria that the implementation team can test against to make sure the feature is completed. What is not included? Specify what outcome will not be achieved by this feature. Key metrics. Identify the metrics that you will use to measure the success of this feature. Market-specific considerations. If you are launching your product to a specific market, you might need to customize the feature for the market. Identify the feature customization needed. So these 9 steps should get you to a good place to get started with feature details that are good enough for a development team to use. I have added a template with an example feature in the comments that you can use to get started. In your context of implementation, you will see additional details that need to be captured, or some of these 9 steps might not be relevant for you. Please do share your feedback in the comments. Thank you.